Okay, this is a video to help utilize the resources, or to show how to utilize the resources on ConnectEd. I am using the Glencoe Algebra 1 book, and the first thing I want to do to utilize all the resources that I have is I want to choose a chapter. And I think we're going to go into Chapter 2, Linear Equations. And then from there I'm going to go into a section. I think I'm going to do, let's do section 2.3, solving multi-step equations. Okay, and then from there I'm going to go into the menu bar and I'm going to click resources. Okay, and from here I've got, again, an abundance of resources. I've got different things that the students can watch. I've got vocabulary, I've got different tools, I've got solutions. Let's see, I want to look for something that's has a little bit more. So I'm going to change my section here. Let's go into, we'll go into 2.4. Okay, in 2.4 you can see there are a lot more resources here. We've got Geometer Sketchpad, we've got different tools, we've got tutor videos, we've got vocabulary worksheets, and then different videos to watch and other resources and worksheets of that nature. So what I wanted to do was go into finding a presentation. And presentations are really useful, especially for, you know, substitutes or in general, and even just a normal everyday teacher. They can use these presentations, and they're very helpful to teach lessons. So I'm going to go with this presentation here, and I'm just going to click it, and it's going to download. And what's awesome is it comes up in PowerPoint. So I'll make this a little smaller. So now I've got a PowerPoint presentation ready to go. And I can use this in my lecture. I can use this to show the kids how to get through this section. So it's very helpful. It's very useful. And let's see what they look like a little bit here. Okay, so here's the first slide. It goes into a menu. It does a 5-minute check, some practice, goes into some vocabulary. So here's the first 5-minute check. There's a problem, it gives you the answer. There's a problem, it gives you the answer. It gives you a few things here. It even goes into word problems, which is pretty nice. And then it goes into a little detail. And then from there, it goes into different mathematical practices. And what's really nice is it actually goes into the standards that the book is teaching, or the section is teaching. So it's very useful. It goes into what the students had already done and what they're about to do, different vocabulary terms. And then it goes into the lesson. And it's nice. It goes through step by step. And there you go. So it's a very useful tool. They have other presentations for most sections of each chapter. So it's definitely worth it.